Ask, okay, girls, money and muscle, which do you prefer? So no need for six-pack. You don't even need to be handsome. As long as you have some in your hand, you are all right. This is Ireland. This is the only place where boys hire house and do housewarming. The island where every girl on the island is into track and field event. In fact, they are athletics. They can run. Maybe that's why they call them Rose girls, but they can run. Hallelujah. They're crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, I was in Ghana last week. See, Ghanaians begin to complain. Our president talk too much. Our president, I said, Una president they talk? I'm not talking about our own are deaf and dumb. You know they talk, you know they hear. If you complain too much, you travel go London. So everybody behave. He all deaf and dumb, don't even they affect the VP. Ojibajo, a whole professor. If they say, where. This country is just amazing. Make it fold up. The salam everybody going with. Area. We don't there here. What you know they carry lasso? We don't they carry first. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just intimate you with some things happening in 2018. This year, China said they are going to put moon, artificial moon in the sky, that will make every street light obsolete. This year, Dubai said they are going to create a helium balloon that will take you from point A to point B in 1 minute anywhere in Dubai. This year, Rwanda made $400 million from gorilla tourism. That is money they made from people watching gorilla. In this country, I'm not sure we have gorilla, but we have people who look like gorilla here. Hello? To make mention but few. Donald Duke. Ramsey Noah. And I want to say that Pastor I've been on Shomala and they crazy. Those people are not gorilla, they are dinosaurs, right? You can't do anything with them, you can't kill them, you can't hug them, you can't eat them. From Delta, you can be a governor if you're handsome. If you are from Abuja or Port Harcourt and you are handsome, you can be a governor. But if you are handsome and you are from Edo State, no hope. Oh God. Because of Oshomola that did not of us enjoy visa. Ambassador went to collect visa. The woman said, you were here yesterday. Now Baba said, I've never been here. So you were here, we know you. So no, I've never been here. They took computer around the Oshomola face show. Now the woman said, who is this? Baba said, that's Oshomola. The woman said, you don't change your name. Because of visa. Oh God. Hallelujah. God, the people in the back, they hear me. Huh? Oh, now they hear me? You don't hear me? I'm going to clap for the hearer. Ladies and gentlemen, in this country, no matter how sexy you are as a man, don't go open your chest for stage. Lagos women are not looking for your money, they look for your destiny. And that's why you discover that the person that started this opening of shirts in Lagos was Two-Face. When they call people know here what? Well, Lagos women, holy shit. You don't know when they change the song. Ever since I left you, I've been through hell and I'm back. Why would they deal with that one? Inyanya come. Okay, Inyanya. Small people don't come from Calabar. Don't get sense. Inyanya don't cheat something company like that also. All your body and weight. He don't get sense. I just got on the commercial. Every day, my waist, your waist, all I want is your waist. Lagos, hold up. You don't know when you call the suspect case. She's up to something. Up to something. Oh God. The one the first me pass that the bus just come. Make I show you coke. Make I show you the coke. Show you the Lagos the look at. When they hold up, he don't know when they say emergency. Oh God, when this guy they look your face, they suspect. You behave like you carry your landlord picking cover. As I talk at the guy shocked. Even the girl they tell them, even I said they don't see you last week. You know they come out from here. I mean. So men we always cheat. But the reason why we cheat is not because cheating is part of our calling. You must understand that we are the carriers of life. And this life in our waist is always mobile. And in the move, even when they sleep, only then they stroke, come outside, they can't take breeze. Hello? When that movement is about to happen, and madam is not around, anything can happen. Sorry to break your heart. Sorry, very sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, let me say this to you right now. It is hard for you to see a woman these days. All her life she has been with just one man. If you are here as a woman and you trust yourself that all your life you have been with just one man, stand up. But that thunder will not fire you this night. You don't die open this man. Who, you? Come out, make us see ritualist. Come on there. No, let me verse you. I don't get respect to behave yourself. I'm not talking about mother. I'm talking about women. Hello? Hello? If you be woman and you believe yourself, and they put in the heart of this one on body, they bounce. When they look at us, but if you are a woman and you have been with more than one man in your life, you probably may have experienced different ways of a man expressing himself when he wants to come. If you are a woman, you have been with more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, in fairness 7, in moderation 10. You know, some of you don't play legal, but you know, we understand. If you have been with that kind of person, you probably may have experienced different way of a man expressing himself when he wants to come. You will never know how ugly a man can be until that moment when he's about to serve communion. Hello. Some of you girls, you need to look at our face. You will regret what you are doing. I'm telling you. You know, say when women want to come, women are very strong. They can cross your leg. Women feel cross your leg. Hey. What are you doing? I come, and they come. Women don't come. But some of these men, especially these Igbo men, oh God. Any small thing that as if hydraulic press. One of my guys, they behave like say one play free kick. Over there. I'm not at the class for. The joke never start. It never reach. If you don't reach for me to come on and tell me. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's just the way it is. In this country, you must learn how to double your hustle. I remember Bob Marley doubled his hustle. He sang for the church, he sang for the world. Bob Marley came and said, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Nobody yourself can free your mind. Have no fear for atomic energy. Beautiful song. And after that, he changed it to church and he said, one love, one heart, let's get together and feel beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, Africa China came and he wanted to sing for the world. He sang for the world. Your worst enemy, you're going to be your best friend. Every now and then, you're going to be your deliverer. You never can tell. You're going to be your best friend. You never can tell. When this one